everyone, welcome back to Little Cool Boys. So in this video, we are going to review Logitech K380 keyboard and mouse. So alright guys, this is the Logitech multi-device K380 pink keyboard, and it is wireless and it is used Bluetooth 3.0. and so let's just unbox it first. So first of all, we got a quick manual. So after that, the keyboard itself. So it is pink color and there are 3 colors. Okay, alright, so this is very lightweight and budget friendly keyboard. So it was first launched in 2015. First, let's just turn on the keyboard. So alright, so now we can see a green color light from there, and so you can connect 3 devices at a time. So for connecting a device, just press the 1 key for 3 seconds. So and you can connect the first device, and after it connected, click in the second key for 3 times and connect the second device. So just first check how we can connect these keyboard and press the first device for 3 seconds, first button, Bluetooth 1, and first I'm going to connect to my laptop, turn on my Bluetooth, and when we look here, and I'm going to open Bluetooth preferences, and you can see keyboard K380 and just connect it. Alright, so we got connection from this device, and let's just test it out for a second. Alright, so next let's connect to my computer too. So open our Bluetooth, turn on, and press the second key for 3 seconds. Alright, so and go to open Bluetooth preferences. And alright, so you can see the new keyboard here. So just click connect. Yeah, and we can see connected to K380, and let's right, you can see it is connected right now, and we can see first install manual if you are first trying it. So let me just clarify it for a second. Alright, done. And if we look closely, just we can try using this both devices. When I click in the first button, so it will connect to my laptop, and when I type, alright, so you can use in your first device, and in the second, when I click in the second button, it will connect to my computer, and when I type, alright, so and when you click the third button, if you have connected to another third devices, it will work on that, and that's so easy. So now let's see how is our mouse also. Alright everybody, this is our Logitech Pebble M350 mouse, and so let me just unbox it. Alright, it also comes with a user manual like we saw in our computer. Alright, so when we open this plastic case, we got our pink cute mouse, and here is a button to turn it on. Alright, so when we take off the cap, you can see a USB plug, so you can connect it to your laptop or your computer, as well as it will also work with Bluetooth. So there are two methods to turn on this mouse, and here is a battery. So this is the case. You can put it here, and let's just turn off, and let's see how to connect it on our computer or laptop. So here is your mouse, and you can see a blue dot here. If it's blue means it is Bluetooth, and when we click once again it is green. Green means it is the USB. So let's use the Bluetooth because that's more easy, and just click this button, and now it's blue, and go to your set Bluetooth, turn on it, and from here go to open preferences, and you have to press for 3 seconds so you can see this blinking, and click there. Alright everybody, so now it is connected, and you can see here when I click on it, it all works completely fine. So you can see it is working, and this is the mouse and keyboard. So in my opinion, this is a budget friendly mouse and wireless mouse and keyboard, and you can take it in your backpack or anywhere you want. So this is Sender's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.